Checking your account balance on independent bank Corp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Independent Bank Corp website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, you may need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be a checking, savings, or other type of account. Step 5. View your balance. Your current account balance will be displayed on the screen. You can also view recent transactions and other account details if needed. Now you can easily check your account balance whenever you need to.